Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a rule in Microsoft Outlook to always move a message from a particular sender to a specific folder on your Microsoft Outlook account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your Outlook inbox and then right click on an email from the sender in question and then select where it says rules and then select where it says always move messages from. Select that. And then if you have a different folder you want to move it to, just select it on this list and then select OK. We can also create a new folder by selecting the new button and then create a new folder in here. And then you could just do the same thing back with the first step and then just go ahead and add it to such a folder that you just created. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.